Is spirituality is an intelligence?
Is spirituality
Is an intelligence?
is an intelligence? Or rather the question would be, is spirituality sign of intelligence?
No. It might be,
Spirituality
yes.
sign of intelligence? What do you mean? Spirituality is
Means is that an intelligence doing spirituality? Can we say that it is an intelligent?
definitely, because when we talk of following spirituality, we use all the faculties to become spiritual. And one of the most important faculties to become spiritual is one's intelligence, using one's intelligence. So, when we use our intelligence to understand what is the science of spirituality, and not just to understand what is the science of spirituality, but to also follow in one's life that particular science, that is, in one sense, the completeness of one's intelligence. So, one thing is to know using your intelligence, and the other is to follow in one's life whatever you have known by using your intelligence. Now, if you take any religion for that matter, they have their revealed scriptures. So, their revealed scriptures, they talk of the philosophy of spirituality. And in order to understand the philosophy of spirituality, you need to understand it. And in order to understand anything for that matter, you need intelligence. Forget about spirituality. Even if you want to know how to, repair a bicycle, a mechanic, if he wants to know how to repair a bicycle, he needs to have some intelligence to understand the science behind repairing bicycles. So if something as simple as repairing bicycles needs intelligence, definitely to understand the supreme personality of Godhead, when we are talking of spirituality, we are definitely talking of God, we are talking of Godhead, we definitely need intelligence. And in fact, in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna mentions that even if somebody who may not have that physical intelligence, like some people are born intelligent, they say, they have that high IQ. Even if somebody might not have that high IQ, but if he's sincere, if he sincerely wants to know God, if he sincerely wants to practice spirituality, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, I give that sincere soul the required intelligence to know him. So, yes, we are born with a little amount of intelligence. We use that little amount of intelligence to know something about God, spirituality, and then the rest of that spiritual intelligence is given by His grace, by which we can know Him, whatever we need to know as far as God and spirituality is concerned. Okay? Hare Krishna.